Okay. These slabs we had milled with a friend of mine has a bandsaw mill in Southwest City, Missouri. So they've been sitting drying. The first step, notice the bad spot here in the middle. So I want to cut a width right here. You essentially just cut this piece out. I measure here, and this is approximately 3.5 inches of good wood. So I've already pre-done this, but I've got my saw set up for a 3.5 inch cut here. And safety, keep the blade guard down, turn on my dust collector. Turn on the saw.
Stop it or keep filming.
Okay, so now you can see how close I got to the edge of that bad part there. And then I'll go again and we'll measure this, the width of this, and just cut that part out, do another rip cut on that. But I'm not going to bother with doing that right now. I've got a nice board here ready for planing. Okay, go ahead and cut the video.